Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla u Konrad ke Sangma. Hene kasngi u Plie Paidbah ya ka Cherry Blossom Festival hawa slik Shillong. Hakaba u ambassador jengkeri Japan cha India u Satoshi Suzuki. Ulayadan lang hakani kasngi. Nakaliang u Myntri Rangbah u Penpau ya ka Jings ngangu ya u Suzuki u balayadan bentalang hakani ka Cherry Blossom Festival. Ula Penpau ya ka Jings ngangu kemen ya ka Jylla bentalang jong ka sarkar Japanese na ka bentabun ba ki project haki Jylla syatay lamningi patkumju ru ya ka Jylla Meghalaya.
Together with Foreign Secretary Mr. Harsh Vardhan Shringla at the beginning of this year to exchange views on facilitating Japan-India collaboration in the region. Japan is proud of being a staunch and reliable partner for the Northeast based on our historical ties, trust and friendship. The shining example of our assistance for the region is the Northeast Road Connectivity Project. I believe the people of Meghalaya will especially benefit from this project, which will enhance connectivity with the neighboring state of Assam as well as Bangladesh. This event will serve as an opportunity to forge the people-to-people relationship within India as well as between Japan and India. I hope the people of Meghalaya and the distinguished guests who have gathered here today enjoy the beautiful cherry blossoms, which we call sakura in Japan, and the Japanese cultural demonstration organized by the Meghalaya authorities. People-to-people exchange is essential to the enhancement of the cultural ties between our two countries. The government of Japan has invited promising young leaders from the northeastern region of India, including Meghalaya, to Japan under what we call IRIS program. Also, from this November, Indian students have resumed traveling to Japan under Japanese government scholarship program. Coincidentally, one of the 5 sakura trees designated as special natural treasures by the government of Japan is growing near Mount Fuji in Shizuoka Prefecture, which is my hometown. To my surprise, this sakura tree has been there for 800 years. So I wish that this cherry blossoms in Shillong will be, existing that long. It would be very great if the young people of Meghalaya who go to Japan in the future through such a program could find a time to visit my hometown and witness this famous sakura tree when it is in full bloom. Honorable Chief Minister, now allow me to mention the importance of the northeastern region of India for Japan. The northeast of India has potential to bloom brilliantly like the cherry blossoms here, and its development would have positive ramifications for a wider region. As a matter of fact, the northeast enjoys a strategic location that is key to the realization of free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific. This is one of the reasons why Japan attaches great importance to the development of this Northeast.
Inspiration from our very own cherry blossom trees and from the feelings that the season of autumn kindles: maturity, abundance, warmth, the passage of time. You know, when this time comes, autumn comes, we say, oh my God, you know, it's going to be winter in a few months. We have envisaged a literary festival that weaves together all these thoughts and ideas. The festival encompasses different facets of creativity in the form of language, literature, art, music, and culture.
Is what we have really been trying to do, which is to really promote different aspects of music, of art, of culture, and for the authors, this literary festival. And we strongly feel that the youth, especially of our state and a region of the Northeast, has a huge bank of talent that they have. And it's just about giving them an opportunity to come together, to showcase their talent, and also give them an opportunity to learn from others and really create that excitement among the different artists and writers and authors. And that's why this particular event is part of the entire vision and goal to really showcase this talent of the youth that we have. And we strongly feel that more of these programs should happen. In the coming months, you'll be happy to know that we will be having and engaging with the musicians of our state for the first time in a very constructive manner, where the government plans to have different kind of music events throughout the next 3-4 months, and have different locations where music will be played by our own artists, through the support of the government, of course, and throughout Shillong city and cities like Tura and some other locations. We will have our local artists. So some of them will be in Watts Lake out here, some may be in Police Bazaar area, similarly in other locations, maybe in Cherrapunji side, Sora side. So we plan to engage with the artists and the musicians of our state and allow them the platform, give them the financial support, allow them to perform, allow the people to enjoy it, and at the same time to engage with these artists so that they feel that this could be an area which they could really prosper in one way and look at it even as a career option. And that's why we are also focusing on creating entrepreneurs out of these artists. So therefore, it's very important for us as a government and as a society to connect the talent that our people have with the aspect of entrepreneurship. So we need music entrepreneurs, we need literary entrepreneurs, we need artist entrepreneurs.
I feel very gracious. I'm really grateful for the kind invitation of Honorable Chief Minister to me and my wife. And I really felt the strong bond between our countries, India, Japan, as well as Japan and Northeast. And as I mentioned in my remarks, Japan is committed to the socio-economic development of this region, and we will work together. Also, we are very interested in increasing people-to-people exchanges, particularly youth. So I really expect that young people from Meghalaya will come and see what's going on in Japan. Thank you very much for this very wonderful.
So today we have inaugurated the literary festival, which is part of the Cherry Blossom Festival in Shillong, and which again is a part of the series of celebrations as we go towards the 50 years statehood, 50 years of statehood of the state. And as I was mentioning earlier, we had the Megong Festival, and today we're having the festival, Cherry Blossom Festival, and in the coming days we will be having many more other programs. And so this is a series of events and programs that will be there to mark the 50 years of the statehood. We were very thankful to the Ambassador of Japan to India, His Excellency Mr. Suzuki and his entire team that has come here and was part of the inaugural program. And today at about 4 o'clock there will be a full launch of the Cherry Blossom Festival, which will be done by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the Honorable Ambassador of Japan, which will be in Polo. And this 3-day event will continue. This literary festival is a part of the program, and we hope that in the coming days and coming years this should become a calendar event, and we hope that more and more people will join this festival in the coming years. The idea is to promote our artists, promote our writers, and also allow them to engage with other writers and authors from the rest of the country. So that's what this program was all about. Thank you. It's not something that we have looked into it. Cherry Blossom is a name that the rest of the country and the world can relate to, and it's easier for people to relate to it. So therefore that is the name that has been used till now. So as of now we have not taken any decision there.